In his hands he got the whole world. In his hands he got the whole world. In his hands he got the whole world. In his hands he got the whole world in his hands. Hey guys, what's up my beautiful people? I hope you all are having a great day, or if it's not you're watching a girl, I hope you all are having a great night. And as usual, you're all welcome to my kitchen, Sarah's House of Flavor. So today, my beautiful people, in my kitchen, I will be doing for you a very easy and simple dish. And on the menu, guys, I am going to make some nice Jamaican style fry sprat. Yes, man. I'm sure you would love to see how I'm going to prepare these fish. So you have to stick around and watch this video to the end. So let's go over and start some cooking. So here we have our fish, guys. They already been washed and cleaned up nicely. Yeah, man. And as you can see also, these are some very small fish. I guess by the size of the fish, they got the name sprat. Because when you think of the word sprat, small come to mind. Alright, that's my take on it. So now, guys, I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Yeah, man. But whatever seasoning you want to use, if you want to add a little fish seasoning, please feel free. All right. So I'm going to add some black pepper here. If you have white pepper, you can use your white pepper too. So I'm adding the black pepper. Ensure that all the fish get some of the black pepper, along with some salt. Yeah, man, we need a little salt for taste. So all I'm going to put on my fish. Ensure that your fish get that nice rub into the salt and the pepper. And for this, guys, you can just season and start the frying of your fish immediately. Yeah, man, trust me, I love sprat. It's been a long time now. I'm gonna taste any sprat. But today, guys, I'm doing this in my kitchen. So let's go over and start some frying. So here I have my pot with some oil along with a pepper. Yeah, man, the pepper will bring out that nice peppery flavor to the fish. So I'm placing my fish into the oil. And as you can see, the oil is very hot. Yeah, man, that's the way to do your sprat. Ensure that it's red hot. Because this, if the oil is not hot, trust me, the fish them will stick and break up, right? So here me I just allow my fish them to get a little space. Me don't want them to stick onto each other, right? So me gonna leave the sprat them to fry for a little while until they're golden brown and have that crispy texture, right? And then me come back and show you the progress of my Jamaican style sprat. So guys, I catch you in a little while. But trust me, in my kitchen smell good frying these fish. Yeah, man, so sprat a fry. Alright, yeah, man, it's looking good. So me allow me sprat them to fry, and then I take them out in a little while. But that's how you fry your sprat. So now, guys, I'm gonna turn the sprat. Right, just gonna turn them just like that. Yeah, man, I turn them just like that. All right. And as soon as everything is fried off, may I come back and I'm going to show you what I'm going to serve my sprat with. Alright, so catch you guys in a little while, my beautiful people. Yes, my beautiful people, this is the end result of our nice fried sprat. Yeah, man, in Sarah's House of Flavor. Guys, look at this. This looks so tasty and delicious. And for this, you can have it with some bread, or you have it with some festival, or if you just want to have it just like this, go ahead. Yeah, man. So my beautiful people, I hope you will go ahead now. Yeah, man, try out this little simple recipe of how to fry some nice Jamaican sprat. I go ahead and I serve it with an escovitch sauce, but if you want to have your sprat just like that, just like that. All right? So my beautiful people, thank you so much for being in the kitchen with me. God bless you all. And remember, like, share, and subscribe to Sarah's House of Flavor, because I know you want to see more of these nice ingredients or nice recipe. So you have to subscribe. All right. God bless you all. Have a great day. And I see you soon in Sarah's House of Flavor. But let me give you a closer shot. There you go. Take one. All right. Bye, my beautiful people.